Hello everyone! In today's video we're going to talk about metabolism. It is why it's important and how you can boost it in your daily life. If you want more energy, better health, and a stronger body, stay tuned till the end. Metabolism is a scientific term that describes the chemical processes occurring in the body through which our body obtains energy from food and fulfills all its life functions. In simple words, metabolism is the process that converts food into energy and the materials needed for bodily activities. Two types of metabolism. Catabolism, this process breaks down large nutrients in the body, such as carbohydrates, and adds to produce energy. Example, converting sugar or fat into energy. Anabolism, this process helps the body build new cells and tissues. Example, muscle growth or repairing new cells. The importance of metabolism provides energy for the body, supports the growth and repair of body cells, helps maintain body temperature, converts nutrients from food into forms that the body can use. How to boost metabolism in daily life to improve weight management, energy, and overall health. Sure, here's the same metabolism boosting tips for daily life. 1. Eat a balanced diet. Include protein, vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Protein boosts metabolism and helps build strong muscles. Avoid too much fast food or junk food as it can slow metabolism. 2. Stay hydrated. Plenty of water. Drink throughout the day. Water helps chemical processes in the body and keeps metabolism active. 3. Exercise regularly. Do at least 20-30 minutes of walking, jogging, or light exercise daily. Strength training also boosts metabolism by building muscles, or get enough sleep. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep every night. Lack of sleep can slow metabolism and increase the risk of weight gain. Eat small, frequent meals. Instead of 3 large meals, eat 4 or 5 smaller meals. This keeps metabolism active and energy levels steady. 6. Moderate caffeine and green tea or moderate caffeine can slightly boost metabolism. Avoid excessive caffeine as it can affect sleep and heart rate. That's it for today's tips on metabolism. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Take care of yourself, stay active, and keep your metabolism healthy.